In this video, let's quickly run how to claim your dogs. Go into your Telegram, search on dogs or click on the app dogs. Then come to this point to click on open. Clicking on open allows it to populate. Move on to either deposit to exchange or you want to claim on token. Click on deposit to exchange. Getting deposit to exchange, or you want to use a wallet in Telegram. In my case, I want to do exchange, so I click on exchange. I click on exchange. Continue. OKX or ByBit. I prefer ByBit. I click on ByBit. Send here. All right, so yes, I have ByBit wallet. You click on yes, I have, and if you do not have ByBit wallet, you can quickly create one. I'll leave a link below this video. You can click on it to create a ByBit exchange wallet account. Then you click on yes, I have. In my own case, I have. Then it's asking me to put down my Bit UID, docs, deposits, and memo. So in this regards now, we're going to ByBit to get that three requirements. Number one, for you to get your UID, you click on this image here. Then you would see your ID. This will be your ID below here. That is your ID. Copy it. Then go back to paste where you were required to submit the UID. Paste there. Then you move on to docs, address, deposits. You come back to your ByBit. Let's go back. Click on assets. Assets. Then click on deposits. Deposit. Click on deposit crypto here. We move on. Then in my case, I have it already in my search history. But in case you do not have it in your search history, just search for dogs at that center. Then I click on dogs. I select turn as network. Turn. Select turn. So I'm having my dogs on a turn network, and I'm having the deposit address here. Copy, or I copy address. Moving on, we need to submit our tag or memo. This is the tag here. You copy that. You copy that through this little copy, or so you copy that there. That is, you click on this, you drop the memo here. Make sure it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Then click on send. So it's like confirm withdrawal of 5,000 dogs on ByBit. I click on I confirm. So you must do your KYC passed on your when you register on your ByBit. Ensure you do your KYC. I click on I confirm that I've gotten all that the data above is correct. I confirm. So allows it to deposit in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 20. All right, so basically that is how it works. Ensure you claim yours, then wait for August 20 for the listing. Don't forget to share this video because a lot of people do not know how to claim their dogs token. So let's help one another. Share this video, click on like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.